welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday, happy 26. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. Honestly speaking, I feel like we are taking this too far, guys. The much and much it was enough here in South Africa. How about we mind our own business and focus on getting things right in our country, guys? So Uchesinda, this is what she posted on her Instagram account, and people from Zimbabwe, they are saying, oh god, she's obsessed with them. This is what she has to say. How about on the 31st of July, we march here in solidarity with the Zimbabwe so they don't get beaten up for expressing themselves. So Zimbabwean people were not happy with it. Just it does post, because they're saying, it seems like you are obsessed with us. You have chased us. Now we are home. We're doing our things. We're doing our march and march on 31st of March. You should mind your own business. You should focus on yourself. So people are just dragging Jessica, guys, is saying, was you being fair on us? What about you focus on the Nigerian that are still in South Africa? The Zimbabwean people are saying that if you loved us, you should have not chased us in your country, guys. So again, this is what Uchesinda Mangobese posted on her Facebook account. Do you guys think there will ever come a time where foreigners admit that this entire migration problem that we have, they were the problem, but they just wanted to blame us because we couldn't sit back and watch them abusing and taking advantage of our country any longer, and they know it. So people in the comment section were saying a lot of words. No, they know. I mean, they just that they were fighting for no reason, guys. It was not necessary for them to fight. All we wanted them to do is to go home and fix their country, guys. So people are saying a lot when it comes to Jessica Mangobese's post, guys. As you know, every Thursday it's a march and march. Some people are saying, oh god, I mean, this thing of march and march on Thursday, that is enough. Now let's just focus on fixing our country. As you can see, people are getting jobs. You know, the march and march has done a lot, guys. Let's not take that away from her, guys. Let's give her flowers. So anyway, guys, tell me, what do you think about the 31st of July, you know, march here in South Africa to support Zimbabwe? And what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.